Cloud computing is the latest thing. Everybody's moving to the cloud, or so you are told. But what exactly is the cloud, and why should you consider moving to it? In simple terms, cloud computing means storing and accessing data and applications over the internet instead of your computer's hard drive. If you're using Google's Gmail, you are already using the cloud. You never install Gmail on your computer. You simply go to a website, which is really a web application, with your browser, log in, and access your email. Now take that a step further. Imagine that all of your documents, spreadsheets, financial information, all of your data and your applications are accessed this way. Congratulations, you have moved to the cloud. Okay, but how does this help my business? For one, cloud computing can make your organization more flexible. Remember the old days? People came into the office, did their work, and they went home. Those days are over. Today, work gets done from everywhere. Home, office, on the train, out on the street. In order to compete today, your business must be flexible, not only in how you approach your market, but also in the work environment you create for your employees. Your data and applications must be accessible from everywhere because your employees work from everywhere. Because cloud computing accomplishes this, it makes your workers more satisfied and more productive. Cloud computing also makes your organization more agile. It enables you to set things up yourself and to add or subtract capacity as needed. This means you can respond to your customers' needs almost instantaneously. Cloud computing makes costs more predictable. It uses a pay-as-you-go model, usually with fixed monthly payments. Also, think about all the money you will save by not having to purchase high-end file servers and all of the services associated with operating them on your premises. Finally, cloud computing allows you to centralize your data in hardened hosting facilities. This cuts or eliminates backup costs and significantly improves your business continuity profile. We have been implementing public, private, and hybrid cloud solutions for organizations like yours for many years, reliably, securely, and cost-effectively. Give us a call for a free consultation on how we can design, deploy, and support cloud-based solutions for your business.